Namaste and hello. Very warm welcome to Dharche Rural Municipality, Gorkha. I am Basant Shrestha. I am a Nepali tourist guide by profession here in Nepal. Lapubesi of Dharche Rural Municipality 7 in the northern region of the Gorkha District, Nepal, has become a popular tourist destination for both domestic and international tourists. It is located at an altitudes of about 920 meters above sea level. It is inhabited by Gurungs and Dalits among others. It is known as the trekking route to the manaslu circuit. Many trekkers and tourists visit the village to enjoy the beautiful and scenic views of the mountains and hills and to experience a Nyauli Jharna or a waterfall. Have a listen the sound of the rushing water here. Of course, it gives you the full of satisfactions because it is connected to nature. Wow! Oh, what a beauty this is! What an absolute beauty here! Don't miss it. Look at that. Take a closer look at that. This is natural waterfall. Is known as Nyauli Jharna or waterfall. Wow, what a beauty. What a beauty this is. Tourists are coming here to take photos, shoot videos and make a TikTok at Nyauli Jharna or waterfall. Is increasing every year. Why not? Because this is the right spot for nature lovers. Well, the spot known for its beautiful and scenic views and the sound of the rushing water is a popular locations for tourists to take photos and make videos. Oh wow, what a place, what a beautiful place for a tourist. You can enjoy the beauty of nature here because Nyauli Jharna or waterfall is available here in Lapubesi, Dharche Rural Municipality 7, and the waterfall is gifted by the creators. This is an absolute beauty. This is a natural beauty. So if you are close to nature, you always feel at home. So do visit Nyauli Jharna or waterfall once in a life. I mean, visit Nyauli Jharna or waterfall at least once in a life. Thanks for watching. Namaste.